So I'm Shivam Thakre. I'm a student of Masai. My student code is FS43C0139. So let me share my screen and I'll explain the code of second question, assignment second question, today assignment second question, and then I'll show the code and how I implement and what problem came there and how I uh, completed code. So let me share my screen. So first of all, there is the question number second four. So what is the second number question? Question second is say that implement pagination with filtering and sorting using React. So we have to uh, implement pagination, filtering, sorting, searching with the help of React. And there will be limit of 5 items like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and add previous and next button and button appear focused and highlighted using implement filtering sorting as well as uh, pagination will be reusable, add transition animation and show total number of item and current page info and using this API. So let me give you demo of my code and let me show the output. So that's the output. There will be five page mean five products in a screen. So when we clear, this is the first button, first page. So it will dark with blue, with violet. And when we click on second page, so it will show second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So using previous and next, you can uh, back and next. So that's the functionality of pagination. So let me share functionality of five. So okay, let me share the search functionality like honey. So first honey, so it will be honey. So like eyebrow. Let me share beauty product, fragrance, furniture. So high to low 2499, 1899, low to high with searching. So bedside only so that with when where implementing sort and filter functionality. That's a function only so where uh, sort and filter functionality implemented and as well as their pagination will also implemented with this functionality and after we remove everything so it will come in their original form. Okay, so that's the code, that's the output demo. So let me show my code. Okay, so first I'll create product array where all product will be stored, loading state, error state, search category, search term, category for categories, sort option for sort, current page with four pagination of product per page or for how many product card will be there. And after page data, first set loading will be true. So it will show before paging data, it will show loading. After that, when data will be fetched, so set loading will be false, and stored set product will be set in the products and set error message if any error will come. With the help of use effect, we fetch the data and then filter product. We filter using title and filter the category by category. So product dot title dot to lowercase two, it will be in sense case insensitive. Dot include search term. What will be we give input for system, so it will be so, and category equal to all, else product dot category is equal to category. So in the first time, category will be all, and after that when we any give category, so it will be equals to category, and so then return title match with category match. Then sort option will be ascending, so we sort the price ascending order, and if the sort order will be descending, so it will sort the order in descending manner. Then for pagination, start index current page -1, like current page will be 1 and -1 will be 0. So first page will be 0 into product per page, which means 5 into 0, 5. Then again, current page will 1, 1. Again, current page will 2. So 2 -1 into current page. So it will be 5. So like that, it will run. And last index, start index plus product per page, which is 5 will be 0, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, like that. Then pagination, start index and last index, it will slice filtered product, because we filter the product, their filtered sort, filter product sort, and then we implement pagination on the filter product. Then we took a variable where we store that slice functionality, and total product per page methodology we we take from their total product page. And pagination, there will be our current page will be increased. We passes page number here, and loading will, if loading is true, so it will show like that, or if error will show, so it will show the error with that classes which is used in CSS. And there will be many categories. So if category all, so it will all, or we find all other categories with the unique categories. So there we use spread operator with new set, like you find all unique categories. Sorry, it's rest operator, not spread operator. So we find all unique categories from the product. Then we took input for system. We use select for our categories, like unique categories dot map categories and index. So key will be categories and value will be categories, and we show categories. And for sort option, select, and then we map the filter product array, like pagination we give variable name. So it will and there will be destructuring. I was do the destructuring there, and then it will show all the images, description, category, available, status, price, rating, stock, everything. And it will there will be implemented pagination. So if page there will be passes to paginate function, current page -1. So first page will be 0, current page -1 will 1 -1 0, and current page will be equals to 1. So it will be 0. So it will be disable. Like one first page is coming, so it will be disable, and then we using array with all array with total products there. And total products page mean there will be length of the all pages. So it will map, and there will be so paginate function where we pass index +1. There will be page number, and we using styling and give page number index +1. And after last next button, we you have current equal to total product per page, so it will be disabled, or we passes paginate function to current page +1. So it will be next. So that's the code, and that's the output. So you will reset, so it will show other data, like you will search anything, so it will show other data. Okay, thank you.